Well, took a bunch of pictures so far of me cutting out the trunk pan patch and getting the little thing that holds down the spare tire off, get it prepped and ready to weld down in here. And as I've said many times, when I'm welding on this thinner metal here, it is ugly. And as I've said, I'm a self-taught welder. I can weld pretty good on thick metal, but stuff, it looks like hell before I grind it. After I grind it, everything looks fine. It's nice and smooth. There's very little pinholes in it. So anyway, I just thought I'd show what I've been doing. I had to cut 2 slots right there for that piece to fit down in there. That's where the little steel bands for the gas tank hook to that tighten up and hold the gas tank up next to the bottom of the trunk. I'll try to go around here, and like I said, I know I'm going to probably get some criticism, but I'm self-taught. I'm not a pro at welding, and I haven't had anything break so far. So anyway, I got to grind it all. I spent about 1 hour and 45 minutes getting everything cut out and getting everything prepped. And let me see, it is about 10:45 now. And see if I can turn the phone around one hand here and do this. It's about 10:45 now, and I think I started on this at about 8 o'clock. So we got about 2 hours and 45 minutes plus, whoops, I'm talking, I'm not paying attention to what I'm doing. About 2 hours and 45 minutes plus 1 hour and 45 minutes, so that's about 4.5 hours so far to do all this part. I was guesstimating 10 hours to get it all done. Let's get it welded and ground down. So get it ready for primer. So that's what I've done so far. Like I said, I know the welds are ugly. I'll probably catch hell from everybody. My son-in-law always gives me hell about it. Anyway, so there's an update for today. I gotta get it underneath there and on the bottom side, see if I need to do any trimming, because I left a little bit of the metal where it would curve right where it rolls under, right there. I left that there so this would sit down flush on it. And I guess there's some discrepancies between the Sherman Trunk pan and the original Mopar trunk pan. It doesn't sit all the way flush down in there, but I got it down there as far as it would go. And got it where the spare tire will go. There should be plenty of room for the spare tire. I measured, and it was right about 5 3/4 inch deep, right from where the curved part is to the top. And we're right about the same now. It might be 6 inches, so if it's a little deeper, I guess that will help with the tire. Hopefully it doesn't interfere with the gas tank. So, to be honest, that's probably something I should have done before I welded it this far, was put a few tack welds and put the gas tank back in it and test it. It is too late for that now. Hopefully I don't have any trouble. But there's my update. So, as always, I'm honest about what I do. If I do any screw-ups, I'll let you know. I'm not one of them that's going to edit it out of the video or cut it out or change it up and try to make it look like I do everything perfect. Because we all know the only person that's perfect is a man upstairs. We can all strive for perfection, but we'll never achieve it. So, that's it for all my rambling and yapping. There's the update for today. As always, like the channel, subscribe, leave a thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions. I'll answer them if you have any. And share with your friends. Thanks.